I'm HA17000, American 622.
Wing 753, contact Washington Center, 120.907.
2097, Wing 753.
Brickyard 5726, resume normal speed, climb and maintain, flight level 360.
Normal speed up to 360, Brickyard 5726.
JetBlue 909, clear direct Dixon.
Dixon, JetBlue 909.
Sorry, Jet 311, flight level 350.
Jet 311, Washington Center, roger. American 622, climb and maintain, flight level 230. American 622, center.
American 622, we're going to stay leveled off here at 17000 while we work an issue.
Okay, let me know when you're ready for hire.
Okay, we'll let you know the plan here in a second. We'll do 17 for now.
Roger. Delta 1750, cross hogs at flight level 180.
Hogs flight level 180, Delta 1750.
Hello, Center, Jet 603-400.
Jet 603, Washington Center, roger. Delta 1355, contact New York Center, 125.32. Jet 311, cross Becker at flight level 240.
Becker at 240, Jet 311.
Washington Center, there 4852, 17.2 for flight level 240.
Denver 4852, Washington Center, roger, climb and maintain, flight level 260.
Flight level 260, now 4852.
Center, American 622.
Yeah, good.
Okay, I'll give you the heads up on our plan so we don't fly out of your airspace, but we're going to have to return back to Philly. We're not going to declare an emergency, but we do have an engine malfunction. It's been addressed, but we'll just have to return back to Philly.
Sure, you want to just turn around now and go back?
We're not ready to have it all. We can start turning that direction, but slowly make our way that way.
All right, you know what? I'm going to keep you where you're going just for now. I'll get back to you in 1 second.
Copy.
Delta 1750, contact New York, 125.32.
4532, Delta 1750.
United 1021, contact Washington Center, 120.907.
12097, United 1021, have a good day.
Good morning, Southwest 4540, flight level 410, just started picking up light shop.
November 783 Juliet Sierra, cross 50 miles south of Deer Park, add and maintain flight level 250.
50 this side of Deer Park is 250, 783 Juliet Sierra, thanks.
Air Canada 098, were you checking in?
Just switched now, sir. Good morning, Air Canada 098 at 400, and we have the traffic keycast ahead of us.
Air Canada 098, roger. Who else is calling?
Traffic in sight for Air Canada 098.
Roger. United 1931, contact Washington, 120.907.
2097, United 1931, good day. JetBlue 897, 340.
JetBlue 897, Washington Center, roger. American 622, I know you said you're not an emergency, but we got to ask you, do you need any assistance at the field? And can you describe the nature of the issue again?
Yeah, we do not need assistance at the field. We're just operating in a degraded mode on the number 1 engine. But it is currently operating.
Roger, thank you. And American 622, I'm going to have another frequency for you here in a minute, and he'll work you back around to Philadelphia.
American 622, thanks.
Washington 348 is 430.
Air 348, Washington Center, good morning.
Good morning, just curious, can we go direct to Air 348?
Maybe in a minute here, hold on 1 second. Exec Jet 311, contact New York, 125.32.
2532, Exec Jet 311, good day.
November 783 Juliet Sierra, contact New York Center, 125.32.
2532, 3 Jet 32.
November 44 Victor Romeo, contact Washington Center, 120.907.
12097 for Victor.
JetBlue 897, cleared direct Wilmington.
Direct to Wilmington, JetBlue 897.
JetBlue 107, contact Washington Center, 120.907.
20907, Shep 107.
American 622, contact Washington Center, 127.7.
27.7, American 622. Watch American 622, so it's 17,000. Yeah, we're going to return back to Philadelphia, American 622. Alright, direct Jim for the Jim's arrival at Philly, American 622.